Today we're going to attempt to fix my shed door, and on video it doesn't do it any justice how crappy it looks. Part of what you cannot see on the camera is the gaps that I have everywhere. This whole side of the door is sagging down, so I'm hoping I can knock it back. Oh yeah, it's moving. Here. That popped down. Oh crap. I forgot there's a dowel in there. We need a chisel. Couldn't find my chisel. So is this redneck? I'm gonna make it work. I win. Let's see. Well, you got one like that. And all this is supposed to be held in with dowels and all this fancy crap, but I've already had this door apart, fixed it, made it fit the hole, and now it all fell apart again. Because the glue failed. That's kind of, sort of how it's supposed to be. Let's see. See if I can use it like a lever. There we go. Found a piece of metal. Actually, it's aluminum. Straighten it out a little bit. Didn't know I was going to do body work today, did you? I think I need one more in there. At least the door don't want to move. That's good. Wow. Okay, I need my hammer. I'm not going to keep smashing my finger. Ta-da, I win. Okay, now the hammer's in the way. Come on. Now I gotta do this the hard way. We're gonna have to finish attaching the whole outside of this first, I think, before I can wrap it like I wanted to. Show them on the inside how it sticks out. This crap. I'm gonna have to bend that to match the door. Right now, I can't close it because of over here it's gonna hit. Oh, I know how to do this. We're gonna have to be inventive here. And here we go again. You pushing down pretty good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on. That's pretty hard for you to do, isn't it? Mm-hmm. You feel like an acrobat now? Mm-hmm. Standing on one foot, balancing, and holding the door, and filming. Can I give you another job to do? No. No? Bummer. Okay. So the whole idea is I'm screwing it to this, but then when I screw it to this, it pulls it back up. See? Now I'm just putting extra screws in so it doesn't bow everywhere, and it makes it look a little nicer. Ta-da, pretty. Now basically we got to do the same thing on that end. Thank you. You didn't have to hit me so hard though. And we're gonna have to switch. Oh, yeah. Like so. Lay down on your toes. That okay for you?
Okay.
Let's see. Let's try and knock that in a little bit before we. There, girl. You're a good little door. Yes, you are. I don't know how I'm supposed to hold this and run a hammer without smashing a finger. This is gonna be fun, only different. There we go. I think that's gonna do it. Alright, now the other side. Okay. Now we're gonna nicely massage the metal. Is that the term they use? Massage the metal. Okay. The reason I'm putting a fold right here is because it's already bent there anyway. But if I do that, then when I fold it up on the door, then it's not a sharp edge. See, I'm massaging, like massage. Okay, I gotta move down here. Okay, look, we don't need to show them all of this. I don't think, do we? I don't know. It's not gonna take that long. I'm concerned that I'm not gonna massage this in properly. Okay, now, basically I need to wrap it up. More massaging. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. And now, tip 101. When you have something like this and you want it super tight, do not run the screw in straight. You want to run it in at a slight angle, not drastically, but a slight angle, so that it pulls the metal up, if that makes any sense. Does that help you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if it helps you understand, then it helps them. Okay, I can't do all this. Hold the door with your knee. Okay. And now, what I'm doing, can you get down in here? So they can see. I'm running it in a little too far. Go away, fly. Okay, now I angled the drill down as much as I can. I'm also pulling up on this. But the idea, it probably looks straight as hell on camera. But I ran it at a slight angle uphill. And what that did was it kept all this nice and tight. Now if you do that several times along here, it'll be alright. And I'm slowly running out of screws. Mama's got to go to the hardware store and get screws. Just kidding, Susan. Same thing here. run it in first into just the steel so that you can maneuver it up and down. Oh, come on. I got too much of an angle. The screw gun didn't want to pull it. Okay, this is a toe catcher, so it definitely needs to be pushed down. Not too real concerned about it being wavy a little bit. I'd rather it be tight than having it perfect looking, because that's what's going to hold the door together. Zip beer 30 yet, Susan?
Getting there.
Okay, another little tip. These corners are extremely sharp. Smack it with a freaking hammer so you don't catch your toe on it. Just trust me, it hurts. You don't believe me, huh, Susan? It's sharp, isn't it, Susan?
Mm-hmm.
It'll slice you open just that quick. Come on, baby. Gotta be smarter than a screw. I'm working on it. God dang it. Oh, God. Got too much crap in the way. Trying to hurry up and get done. Whew. And there's a dead bee in there. That's funny. I call that a success. Once again, smash in that corner. Make it a little more pretty. I say good enough. Put the door together? Yes. Did I fix it the right way? No. But it works. Ta-da! Alright. Next up. This is falling apart. Don't beat on your project without something protected. That sucker together, didn't it? I think. No. Yeah, why not? Right about. Yeah. Perfect measurement, right? Alright, the whole idea of this is just keep this from splitting apart, and it won't split like that again. Put a deal there. I told you I'd show you the finished product, but I don't know. She looks alright to me. I guess next project coming up is going to be fixing this latch so it actually closes so we can lock it up. Right now, you just grab it and it opens. We moved the shed so everything's settled weird and all that. Be nice to have that nice and sealed up again so snow don't get in there. Alright, till next time, have a great one. Peace.